on the other moina date 18 da release chakani sigi si akoi amting yeng biyo ko Manipur gi state assembly na since akoi now 2001 gi matam several times house na unanimously decision lo rise several times now Manipur gi state ki integrity territorial integrity si at any cost masi compromise to ya de to roi dam ne have si dum ya lo ri ne ba so that's a legal position adugi legal position sigi against the state Sidagi MACHET Phaklaga Lam Piyu na high claim to buse masi India government gi meeting da anti-national OIRAMDABA di ya ba adu ekoi meeting da di anti-state OIRAM THOKTABALO Manipur gi state ki meeting da di anti-state OIRAM THOKTABALO sigi arguments ne ba koina governor da su price to jeri se precise over statement pan da manina from yaw da manina koina yaw ka hanjana speculation to su patin khale hana mamang da budi mamangi press statement sing yenguraga di they were very clear on whatever they want to express but clear when express to manina handa clear electricity maybe they are also trying to find a middle ground ma thina na ba honor kunena dum positively yeng bi su dum yai na khale adu yeng matung da makoina further kamaina masi proceed to ke habu koina dum adu gi potu di ngai ba until and unless is confirmed koina overhype to mandi adu to dagi mo su over protective ocean gi dana mayam na lan sum speculate to saluraga di ana madu to da bi da positively dum moina sida specific pandrabani na of course moi gi hanagi political roadmap ama piu ama to have dum moi gi aspiration do reflect to jai to raga su comprehensive political roadmap for peace and justice have a justice has la kan di justice can be seek only from the court of law natra justice ate hon de phang ngam ro justice ya koi masen yana ra justice pi di oi thok te no मैम चंद्र को तो इसे conventional लोइना ले रिबा कोई की established कोई की legal कनो दुदे की court दुदे की लागता हमने बा और दुदे लागता ददी it cannot be favoring any of the my quantum of my merit yang aga justice lakani na tra adu ita ga adu gi part ama su moina palli ni na peace and justice hairim ni na si dum swais de dum ko na kitang positive na lo ra it's very good no na masigi yeah, moderate or state benam thole ise masi phai but further how are you going to proceed have do yeng ba change na hairaga edo thammamaga matam kitang yeng ba ma change na khalle aduga on the other moina date 18 da release chakani sigi si akoi amting yeng biyo ko Manipur gi state assembly na since akoi now 2001 gi matam de da several times house na unanimously decision lo rise several times now Manipur gi state ki integrity territorial integrity si at any cost masi compromise to go ya de to roi dam ne have si dum ya lo ri ne ba so that's a legal position adugi legal position sigi against the state sigi de MACHET Phaklaga Lam Piyu na high claim to buse masi India government gi meeting da anti-national OIRAMDABA di ya ba adu ekoi meeting da di anti-state OIRAM THOKTABALO Manipur gi state ki meeting da di anti-state OIRAM THOKTABALO sigi arguments ne ba koina governor da su price to jeri se mun nam ta khan biyo state ki assembly na several time low lai ra position na mas have se state assembly represents the whole population of the state adu me am dugi mandate ne mo low position je adu position da gi group kharam tholaga against that position low pai se it becomes obviously anti-state adu ta adu gi anti-state labor post se singu se koi discourage tausi encourage to gumsi have se koi thamjaram bane aduna aduma lere atopa mana hojik taman su thamgi dumai na issue se bio moina ngasi sidai da moina political roadmap ama or political demand ama political solution ama haiba wahi ma moina pirai se karai degi emerge to roke kamaina masi gi trigger se karai di loki gi illegal village me am lay have this state already identified or list thokram ni ahan bada 996 to a akul bada 1526 to a list of villages illegal villages village we later ba maming di panjala thama ba beneficiaries me am welfare schemes me am draw option ba transformer ko khilla thamba ko gi low sangam am da tawe transformer ki dan thamani that becomes a village recognize the what ba mem ta da ba adu abya cha cha thawai yaw na de da kuning da unaraga kaino how ka bizare haraga dum ka lo no hona ba ba mai to local local ka chuja khawani pur laga phau sa ba mem su lei ko whatever adu gi administrative sagi flows me am lei ki to adu mo factor me am dun maram moira village di lei gre high village unrecognized illegal village lising ma hen le ra ne ba sigi le re po chi state na at some point of time madu gi against the action khar sang eviction drive tawre illegal immigrants detect tawre
Right.
sigi potsi those people affected groups they don't have a good reason to go to the court and challenge it atopa darbagi resolution ka paibadi moi court ka satpane moi chatleba adu hujiki illegal village da eviction tawruba forest encroachment da eviction tawruba illegal immigrants detect tawruba sa sidadi moi court chat kai lambi da tholeba
Right.
lambi da tholaga moina circumstance create tawre adu so haijabane first instance yang biyo combat dress set pa automatic rifle pa bana really do yoroga kangbai da lakshali ne attack toksale ine adu tawraga anda adu matung da gidi retaliation lakre son lakandagi once that retaliation started there is a cycle of revenge amada revenge tong na bagi cycle of revenge is sakre adu idi everything all logic all conscience everything gone adu idu yengo no but initial do yeng biro adu ngasi di adu tawraga cycle of revenge changra kan di narrative to moina narrative build up tawre adu circumstance na ai koi si imphal dagi completely ethnic cleanse tawre genocide chathare moi akoi le minang amroi ara akoi gi political solution ba separate administration pbu haidana yamna logically hek thalong ta da man ba mong da yam phajana conclude tawre haitare ara adu gi push tawre ba agenda se india government na 21 months khangna una khanga ga yenga ga complicit oi thoga sum ma se push to hon ba se sum prolong to hon ba se swai sida ne ba koi da lai problem di koi di moi na demand to ba whatever to to shan no moi demand to re ya re ba but government di sino ubom thok tro government should be the government should take decision on the basis of truth on the basis of justice adudal wale blow with the budu larger moi gi oi ba vested interest to in a decision low ni har padagi ai koi ga government gi mar ta so chauba distrust tam la crap adu gi distrust to dissolve to no bare ba koi lang na sti we have never paid any attention to tackle the cookie separatist group hijack because there are certain group of people whole population do ko hire gum se ko hire be sigi group se onjan na moi ga koi khana ba launa ba adu koi nongta koi attention pi de ba koi attention pi di sidi responsible government do ne government na kari no tawri se habis ne adu na ngasi koi na governor do so price to jeri si hire be whole issue si mun ne yeng biu kadai do no tawri se ara koi gi we have no agenda we have no objective to keep on involving in this conflict in this crisis sida koi na chungjan na irang joksel lu na bagi koi ge agenda am ta leite do koi manipuri sing na maru na indigenous population na taliba hairi poti ga no india government da pursue to ise ga no fencing hasn't be have fencing of international border is completely at the national interest national security interest ne koi hairi se immigrant detect to illegal immigrant detect to have ne see the United States is doing Europe is doing entire world is doing
right
why don't we do that adu this issue national interest na tro issue national interest ni then sanction lagal lai greba singsina makoi gi existence to as per the established law the citizenship phangne hare refugee jang khibani 1960 matung loi jang khibani Burma Refugees Association Manipur hai association le ram till 1970s pok le ram
right
adu ba group mayam duna India government na pursue to settlement PB ro ko sile jarage to have the citizenship eki matung ina pire but how could they become the indigenous population again then how could they claim their new settlements as their ancestral land refugee in a laga refugee settlement PB ro citizenship ondok bi hairam baduna lehel matung da ancestral land haira gadi where is the logic madu India government na tabam thokbra taun thoktabra si logical oidabra haibisine ba sima ga yedunga si sun thamjaram bane ana hairi basi ki chronic oir ko issue khara mane suddenly hadak magi phibamna adu da circumstance tanja loroga chongjan gi ba issue khara mane adu na combine to thor ko poksi akoi holistically yenga resolve to ro khona si elements sing do ko khandok si elements sing do da koina surgical strike to di adu ta ga di majority of the akoi gi major problems sing se ayamba 80% low ni ba aduga ko na lakpa genuine no grievances leram be that can be in so many ways adu dia koina to be na be ba aduna asai gi koi gi kuki site ki koi MLA tarana pukhalai ba mogi statement se masi hojibogi wena di moisu yamna kano mada unbiased or provocative oi da mong da thole na so koi dum lorasi adu masi kanana masi kana no sida party oi doi se ju yamna kano oi ka doi di critical ka doi dai du na ba who's going to be party in this comprehensive political roadmap chalking out this comprehensive political roadmap